marunong ha.
Ayun tayo.
Malapit na ako kung saan siya. Baka makaulan tayo.
Oo naman, syempre. Sige ba, coach? Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and welcome to our Barangay Maytunas Cup Season 2. Ayan. Alright, good luck for both teams. Hey, idol. Gusto kayo? Yan, shoutout sa ating mga kasamang staff dyan. Ayan, shoutout mo tayo sa gilid. Pare ko, hello, ang ating commentator. Pare, pakilala kayo. Mike. Sige. Sorry po. Pabad. Eh, shoutout po kay Cap Ryan Siquera, ang ating punong abala dito sa ating Barangay Maytunas Cup. Ayan, isang honor na naman na matunghayan ang isang basketball game. This is the knockout game between the dark blue team versus the red team. Ayan. Nabigo dito ang dark blue sa kanilang quarterfinals. Sino kaya ang aabante? Magiging tuloy-tuloy kaya ang pagpasok ng red team or makakabawi na dito ang dark blue at sila ang papasok for semifinals, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. Good luck from both teams. Ayan, shoutout po muli kay Cap Ryan Siquera at ating mga kabarangay dyan sa Barangay Maytunas. Good luck from both team. Alright, first ball. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng red. And steal. Atan. What a nice layup for the bid. First basket mula sa dark blue. Wide open for 3, no? Oh, what a block! No good. Same ball. Pass number 22. Running shot. No. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. To number 2. Basket. And first basket din para sa team. Red team. Gadiana, no good. David. 2 points. Atan for 3. Yes, para sa 3. For Atan. That's Jonathan. Gadiana. Number 3. Running shot. No. Atan. Oy, wala. And out of bounds. Same ball. Second shot clock. Time remaining 6 minutes and 42. 4-3, no good. David derecho basket. For David. 6-5 ang ating score. Change favor. There's a foul. And that's the first personal foul. Cross-court pass. Gadiana 4-3. No good. What a drop pass. Nice shot for the red team. 8-5, a 3-point lead for the red team. Oh, and a steal and gets the foul. And shout out kay Mickey Changson is watching, and kay Ryan Siquera. And maraming salamat din, Kap Ryan. Oh, what a nice drop pass! 4 Team Red. Time out, or correction. Change 5 tayo. Official score 5-10. Time remaining 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Lamang pa rin po ng 5 ang red team. Bola rito ng dark blue. Number 69. Idiskarte. As number 11 for 3. Short. Bola rito ng red team. Oy, Rura. Pass number 3 and strip. Number 11. What a nice shot. Akin na to. By number 11. David wide open. No rebound by Florente. Fade away. Block from behind. And a step in on the line. Same ball tayo. 15 second shot clock. R.E. Gabasa. Binigay sa corner. Pass number 8. Tumira sa 3. Short. Rebound. David with a strip. In and out. Rebound and dark blue. Number 8. David setting on the play. David, kick out, catch and shoot, bam! By jersey number 69. Baba sa isa ang lamang ng red team. David din. Oh, what a steal! Number 29 with the trick of war. Number 3 with a strong drive by number 3. 12-9. Balik sa tatlo ang lamang ng red team. Gadiana, no good, and gets the foul. Eight-second shot clock. Atan. Kick out to number 29. Gadiana, bow. Mabawi doon si Atan. Down by 2. Down by 1. David, no. And out of bounds. Pasensya na po, nauga. Sobrang lapit natin sa ating mga players. Ayan, time remaining 2 minutes and 32 seconds para sa ating first period. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo kay Dagdagan Tabs. And shoutout din kay Idol Robin Romero. David. Kick out. Side step and 1. Basket count and 1 for D. Change favor tayo. Lamang na ang dark blue ng isa. Bonus shot for D. Bounce pass and steal. Ayan na. Atan, 1-on-1. Atan, dire-diretso. Akin na to. For Atan, Gadiana. 15-12. Labang na tato na ang dark blue. Cross-court pass. Gabasa for 3. Bam! 3-point for Gabasa. Tabla tayo sa 15. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds. Bola ng dark blue. Number 8. Pass to Atan. Atan babawi sa 3. Short. And a save. Gura with a save. Ayan na si Gabasa. Gabasa. Titira ulit sa 3. Oh! Monty ka na. And rebound ng red team. Pinasok sa loob. What a nice easy basket for the red team. Finding open man for the red team. Balik sa kanilang alamangan. 17-15. Number 22. Drive. Basket. Tabla ulit tayo sa 17. 32 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Oh, Gura. Sorry, that's the bid. Gabasa, didiskarte. Gabasa. Pass number 8. Tumira. Oh, last 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What a pass. Oh, in and out. And that's the end of our first period. Official score, 17-all. Grabe, di kita ng ating laban for our knockout game. All 17 ang ating dalaan. Shoutout kay John Carl Basibas. Oy, thank you. Thank you. Ayan, tabla na tayo sa 17. Ayan, sabi ni Dagdagan, tabs. Shoutout kay Mang Kano. O Mang Kanor, tama ba? Number 69 ng Dark Blue. Okay, back to the ball game. We're going to the second quarter. Tabla tayo. Sino kaya ang aabante sa ating semifinals? Pasensya na po kung mauga. Sobrang dikit natin at yung ating shoutout sa ating mga committee. Napakasipag dito sa ating gilid. Alright, back to the ball game. David running shot. Bam! What a shot for David. 19-17. Here comes Lucas. Lucas de Discarte. Oh, what a steal. 2 against 1. Ay na, what an extra pass. Oy! There's a foul. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 21-17 ang ating talan. Lucas to David. Cross-court pass. Lucas pinasa loob. Number 1 up and under. Basket is good for the red team. Grabe yun ang sidestep ni Idol. 21-19. Number 22 drive. No, rebound again. Oy, but there's a foul. Number 3. As for Orente, if I'm not mistaken, 2 shots. First shot is good.
Second personal foul. Sorry, my boss. Second personal foul. Second foul.
Shot is good. 2 for 2. 23. 19. Lucas, too strong, out of bounds. Same ball. Wide open, no good. Rebound by number 30. Martin for 3, in and out. Rebound by number 11. Gadiana, pass number 22, bad pass. Sayang. Time remaining 8 minutes and 1 second. Bola ng red. Shield by Atan. Atan, derecho gets the contact. No. Another rebound. Gadiana. Atan with a putback. They get their own miss. Number 15. Nagmamadali. What a spin. Oh, there's a foul by number 22. Oh, sorry. Correction, that's number 11. Second shot, no. Another rebound for this time ng Dark Blue na. Number 11, basket. 27-20. Olende. Oopsie, and that's a trouble. Timeout. With official score is 27-20. Shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga official dito sa gilid, oh. Ayan, shoutout to sa inyo. Shoutout kay Rudy Henonia. Ayan, shoutout kay Rudy Hemoya. Shoutout idols sa Swire Ela Greeners. Ayan. Shoutout kay Arnold Espia. Pinapashoutout na si paring Rene dyan. Ayan, magandang gabi po. Bola dito ng Dark Blue. Oy, bad pass. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Uy, munti ka na. Martin shooting at the line for 2. Martin short. No good for Martin. Second shot. Oh, wala. Wala pa rin ang kanyang second shot. Tingnan natin kung may papasok na ang ikatlo. Bam! Naipasok na nga ni Martin. Yun lang. And stepping on the line. Na-step-in ba o kailan naipasok na? Atan. Oh, steal by Lucas. Number 15. Derecho. No, Risa pa. Basket. 27-22. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Oh, it's an 8 seconds shot clock violation. Kitang-kita yun natin mga official referee. Lucas. Pass to Martin. Oopsie. Mantikan pa. Magawad. Changeable daw tayo. Oh, wow. David drive, no. Rebound. Uy. 3 against 2. Uy, si Malaksak, wala. Rebound by Martin. Pass number 3. to Lucas, to number 1. Catch and shoot, short, rebound. Isa pa para kay David. For the putback. Change 5 tayo. 29-24. Alright, change court tayo. Bola rito ng dark blue. Diana, Atan. Setting on the screen. Atan, 4-3, short. Rebound ng mga nakapula. Number 15. Pinasa kay number 29 and a steal. Uy, what a nice extra pass. Basket. Session na po, nakakapal pa lang ako sa apps natin. At hindi mo na nilalagay ng oras. There's a foul. Number 3, bound. Second shot clock. Oh, and steal. Ayun na. Number 15, nagmamadali. Derecho. No. Number 3, wala pa rin. Against the foul by number 69. On the free throw area, number 3. Basket. Second shot para jersey number 3. Basket na naman. 2 for 2 for Corriente. 31-28. Lamang pa rin dito ng tatlo ang dark blue. Number 22. Number 22, drive, no. And out of bounds. Kanina mapupunta, rep. Oy, bad pass. Hello po, shoutout. Ayan, shoutout po agawad. Gabasa. Pass number 8. Number 8, Hesi. Kick out. Bigay sa corner. Pull up. No. Rebound by number 69. Pass to Atan. Atan, di diskarte. Up and under. Wala. Rebound. Oy. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng dark blue. 15-second shot clock to shoot for the dark blue team. Number 69. No. Rebound. Number 22 with a putback. 33-28. Basket for the Valenzuela. Pass to number 10. Oh, rebound by number 11. Number 11 to number 2. Gadiana sidestep and gets the foul. Time out, dark blue. Official score is 33-28 in favor pa rin sa dark blue. Ayan, shoutout kay John Ren, Levis Smith. Ayan, pinapa-shoutout niya ang mga taga 504. And shoutout din kay Joven Baluyot. Nabati ko po si Joven Baluyot according kay Jaren Levis Smith. And shoutout din kay Arnold Espia, Lakas David. And shoutout kay Edwin Badilla. Ayan, shoutout kay Edgar Pasyalo Pabalunay. Pa-shoutout Edmir, number 22. Di, galingan mo. Yung mga fans ka nanonood sa ating live. On the free throw area, Atan, Gadiana. Missed the first shot. Ayan, pasensya na po. Ayan, this is my second time na gamitin ng apps na to. Hoping na maging okay din. Ayan, missed the second shot. Makukuha ng mga pula to number 15. Kick out. Gabasa, wide open shot. Short. Rebound by number 8. Out and pass. Number 23. Drive. No. Rebound by Gabasa. Out and pass. Oy. Nagagawan. Makakuha rito ni number 8. Number 8. Wala. Number 3. Wala pa rin. But there's a foul. Number 69. Sayang. On the free throw area, number 3 for the red team. First shot missed. Missed the first. Wala ito lang na dark blue. Number 8, drive, block from behind. Number 22 against the foul.
Jersey number 39, first personal foul, 14 foul.
Thank you. On the free throw area, number 22. Thirty-four, 28 in favor pa rin sa dark blue. Number 8, pass to Gura. Gura for 3, no, rebound ng dark blue. Number 11. Oy, walang tawag. And to bounce, same ball. Number 22 for 3, short. 3 against 1, bounce pass to number 15. Oh, in and out. Number 15, babawi, one extra pass. Number 8, mira, easy basket. Grabe yan. Kunti ka na. 4 na lang ang nahabol. Number 8. Stop and pop, short. Rebound by number 69. The number 8, jump shot, basket. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Number 8. Wide open. Oh! And that's the end of our first half. Fisher score 36-30 in favor of the dark blue. Ayan, lamang ng 6 ang dark blue. Magbabalik tayo for the second half. Pagkakat pumunta tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa second half. Ayan, shoutout po tayo sa ating mga official. Ayan, sa pangunayan ng ating butihing barangay captain na Ryan Sequera. Magbabalik tayo for the second half. Ayan, muli maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating liga. Ayan, especially sa ating butihing Mayor Francis Zamora, Sir Rocco Zamora, ang ating assistant of the mayor. And also, sa ating makabagong sanuan, this is your Barangay Maytunas Tournament Senior 30 years old up. Barangay Maytunas Cup 2026 Season 2. If I'm not mistaken, magkakatayo for the meantime for the second half. Okay, welcome back to our live. We're going to the second half. Ayan, tignan natin kung makakabawi dito ang red team. Or magtutuloy-tuloy ang
Restart na po tayo ng third. Pasensya na po. Rules lang.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Check. Lucas. Lucas. Pasa uno.
So good.
Pasa na dyan. Gaya.
Too strong, number 2 with a putback. 38-30. Stop and pop! Basket! Nakabawi agad doon si David. Good. Oh, short. Rebound by number 3. Okay, paso. Back-to-back basket for David. 38-34. Lumasa apat ang lamang ng dark blue. Atan for 3. Short. Rebound. Oh, and a steal. Cross-court pass. Atan. Change direction, bounce pass. Oy! Nakasahod. Si Idol. Oh. Pa rin. Mamadali, diretso, basket. Ayan na, down by 2. Nakahabol agad ang red team. Oh, bad pass. David, wide open, no. Wala nito ng blue. Atan. Floater basket. Oy. David. Running shot and one. For David. On the free throw area, number 15, David for a three-point play. Side step. Oh, short. Ata drive and gets the foul. Number 2, that is Lucas. That is first personal foul, second team foul for the red team. On the free throw area, number 2, Atan Diana. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Gadiana, second try, 2 for 2. Oy, Gadiana will cover. Atan. Drive basket. Grabe naman yan. Kara kay Atan. Gadiana. Lucas nagmamadali. Lucas binigay sa corner. Martin jump shot. No. Rebound by number 22. Pass number 30. Drive. No. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. Gadiana miss. Rebound by Florente. David didiskarte. David. Running shot. Oy. Gets a foul. By jersey number 15. On the free throw area, number 15. That's David. Time remaining 5 minutes and 16 seconds ng ating third quarter. Nakuha ng ni Pascual. Looking for his teammate. Oh, that's an 8 seconds violation. Bola rito ng red team. Lucas didiskarte. Lucas. Martin binigay sa corner. David, catch and shoot. No. Number 3, wala pa rin. Pasok Gadiana. Gadiana nagmamadali. Side step. Blocked by Martin. Isa pa, but there is a foul for Martin. Alright, change 5 tayo. Ayan, change 5 tayo with the 5 minutes. Ayan, lumabas ang dapat lumabas at pumasok ang gustong pumasok. Pasok lang kayo. On the free throw area, number 2. Atan Gadiana Beltran.
Gadiana, personal.
Gadiana on the free throw area. Wala. Sayang. Second shot for Gadiana. Atan. No rebound ng dark blue. Atan binigay sa corner. Wide open. In and out. Rebound ng mga langpula. Ayan na si David. Nagmamadali. Up and under. Too strong. Uy. Walang tawag ating referee. Bola rito ng dark blue. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Dark blue basketball. Number 11. Pass to number 22. To number 8. Nasa corner. Catch and shoot. No rebound. Makakuha number 22. Nabitawan. And out of bounds. Red ball. Gura. Pass to. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Ang mga naka-red team. Number 8. Oh, there's a foul. Number 69. That is third personal foul. Third team foul. Bola rito ng red team. Catch and shoot. Gura drive. Oh, binali sa ere. Wala. Another rebound for Gura. To number 8. Cross court pass. Wide open. Too strong. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Oy. Number 8. Paso. What a pick. And there's a foul by number 8. On the free throw area. Number 11. That is Reed. Kamag-anak siguro ito ni James Reed. First shot is good for Reed. Second shot miss. Another rebound. Number 18. Reed ang put back. Get their own miss. 47-38. Lamang pa rin dito ang dark blue. Pinasa gitna. Oy, wala. Rebound number 11. Pass to number 8. Number 8, outlet pass. Oh! Basket para number 29. Sorry, that's 22. That is Lee. Time out dito. Ang red team. Si Idol Basibas, oh. Ayan, time out muna ang red team. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng team ni R.E. Gabasa. 49-38 ang ating talaan. Time remaining 3 minutes and 11 seconds para sa ating third period. Ay, shoutout muna tayo. Ayan, may hi si Idol. Alright. 3 minuto na lamang po ang natitira para sa ating third period. Isa na lang ay penalty na dito ang Team Red. Ayan, shoutout tayo kay SK Magawad, Benji Del Mundo or Benjamin Del Mundo. Sorry, si Karasin pala to, Benjamin Del Mundo. And shoutout kay Aaron Jan Ponsalan, Jason Mias, Robin Romero, and Billy Castillo. Back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Number 8, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 11. Napuyipiyang-puyipang ng commentator. Number 8, nabitawan. Steal by number 3. Ay na, 2 against 1. What extra pass, number 22. Oh, easy. 2 points by jersey number 8. Hindi ka na, magawan. Number 22. Pinasa, fade away. No. Number 15. Kick out. Wide open. Bam! 3-point for the red team. Babawi sa corner at nakalusot si number 22. Number 8. Idiskarte, 51-43. Baba sa 8 ang lamang ng red team. Stop and pop. Boom! Nakabawi ulit ang red team doon. Uy, munti ka na magawan. Number 11, kick out. Number 69, ibigay sa corner. Wide open. Oh! 3! 54-45. What a spin drive. Nakalusot. Grabe, sagutan na to. Number 22, babawi rin ito. Block from behind, pero with foul ang itinawag kay Boss R.E. Cabasa. Ayang Argerari. But there's a foul by Cabasa. Shooting the line, number 22, D. First shot is good for D. 56 na po tayo, 56-47. According sa ating official, second shot, no. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Number 15, Hesi. Stop and pump, walang tawag. Rebound by Cabasa. Pass to number 8, Hesi. Number 8. Fade away, binigay sa corner. Number 3. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8, wide open. Short. And out of bounds. Dark Blue Team Basketball. Same ball daw po tayo. Time remaining, last 39 seconds. Bola rito. Sorry, 55 lang po tayo daw. According sa ating official, 55-47. Bola rito ng Dark Blue. It's a 24-second shot clock violation for the red team. Bola mapupunta sa Dark Blue. D. Diskarte. D. Pass number 8. Number 8. Stop and pop. Oh. And that's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng red team. Last 24 seconds. 24 seconds remaining. Number 15, David, sidestep and gets a foul. Number 11. Number 8. Bigay sa corner, Gura. To Cabasa for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Outlet pass. Number 11, akin na to. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Official score at 57-47. 10-point lead para sa Dark Blue Team. Ayan na, third quarter. Lamang ng 10 ang mga naka-Dark Blue. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi dito ang mga nakapula sa ating last and final quarter. Good luck. Pre. Alright, fourth quarter tayo. Tol, quarter to, di ba? Quarter? Quarter finals. Hindi, quarter finals, di ba? Quarter. Alright. Ito, lapit. Uy, buti ka pa ako. Sorry. Di. Uy, munti ka na. 17-second shot lock. Number 2. Dadiana, Atan. Atan. Bigay sa corner. Fake. Drop pass to Atan. Atan reverse layup for Atan. Ayan na, lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Dark Blue. 59-47. Number 2, Lucas. Nigay sa corner. Tumira si David. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Drive. Spin to number 3. Number 3. Take a shot. No. Rebound by Basibas. And steal by number 3. Pass to Gura. Too strong. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. Running shot and gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 8. Shooting for 2. First shot, no. Second shot. Basket. 48-59. Number 2, Atan. Up and under. Nakalusot si Atan. 61-48. Lucas. Pass number 1. Number 1 with the guy. Number 3 with a layup. Easy 2 points by number 3. Atan drive and gets the foul. Offensive foul para kay Atan. Bola rito ng red team. Lucas setting on the play. Lucas. Pass to David. David. Jump shot. No. Gets the foul. Tama na. Sa mata si David. Free throw area by David. Second shot para kay David. Basket. Ayan na, baba na lamang sa 10. Basibas, nagmamadali. Basibas, spin move. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Basibas! Para na spin move. Coming from Basibas. Ayan na. Balik ulit sa 12. Fade away, no. Rebound by D. Ayan na ulit ang Dark Blue. Atan. Change direction. Pass to number 17. Pass to Atan. Atan setting on the play. Atan. 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 17 for 3. No. Rebound. D with a putback. For D. Time out. Red team. Grabe naman ang hustle. Ayan, shoutout. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo guys. Ang ating mga masisipag na admin. Official ng ating liga dito sa ating barangay Maytunas. Season 2 na to tayo. Ayan, sa pangunayan ng ating butiing barangay captain Ryan Sequera at sa kanyang council and team. Ayan, this is your Barangay Baytunas Tournament 2026. Tingnan natin ang Adel or makakabawi kaya dito at makakahabol ang red team. At mababa pa to. We have 7 minutes and 44 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Lamang ng dark blue ng 14. Bola ng mga nakapula. Ayan, shoutout kay Alfred Osias Rosales. Napashoutout po niya si Jam E. And kay Coach Robin Romero, John Carl Basiba, shoutout sa'yo. Ayan. Bola ng pula. Oh, and steal! Number 17. Stop and pop, no! Rebound, ayun na. Ang sipag naman ni number 17. And that's a jump ball. Bola na pula. Lucas, may tanga ng bola. Setting on the play. Lucas, binigay sa corner. Sa loob. Number 3, fake. And 1. For Florente. Jersey number 3. That's for Florente. Shooting on the line. Number 3 for a 3-point play. Makipapasa kaya? Number 3. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Stop and pop. Oy, wala. Rebound by number 3. Oh, well steal by Atan. Oh, well steal by Lucas. Lucas, pinagay kay number 1. Number 1. Derecho, miss. Rebound. David Babawe using the glass. No! Rebound by Pascual. Pass to D. Pass to Atan. Atan with a strong drive. Coming from Atan. Ganiana. 67-53. David. On a ball movement sa loob. Orente. No, rebound by Pascual. Good. Oy, it's a double dribble. Nagkakainita na tayo, malapit na tayo sa dulo. Sino kaya ang papasok sa ating semifinals? Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Lucas. Orente, drive, miss, and a steal. Oy, and a steal, number 8. Number 8 drive and gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 8. First shot, no. Second shot para kay number 8. Papasok kaya? Wala. Rebound by D. D. Pass to Basibas. Basibas! Oy! No! Another rebound! Pinigay! Pow! What a sit there para kay Basibas. David drive! No! Rebound! Ayun na, makakuha na mga lang dark blue. D. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Basibas. Jump shot! Basket! By Basibas. John. 71. What a spin move. David. Sumabay ka pa. Sabi ni David. Ayan na. Oh, nakalusot. 2 against 1. Number 11. Bad pass. Steal by Lucas. Pass to number 8. Outlet pass. David sa loob. Nakalusot. Si David. Lumahabol ang mga nakapula. Outlet pass. Ayan na, another steal for Lucas and gets the foul. May foul lang itinawag para sa dark blue. Time out. Dark blue. 71-57. With the time remaining 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Almost sa 5 minutes na lamang po ang natitira sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan na, sa dito. Wala pagkakaalaman na sa huling 5 minuto. Shoutout kay Bangmak. Basibas. Sorry, correction. Das Balaba para. Siya na po. Pasensya na, Balaba pala. Ayan, nakaka 4 points na dito si Balaba. And thank you, Mac. For a correction. Hindi ko masyado mabasa ang kanyang apelido sa likod. That is a Balaba. On the free throw area, number 2, Lucas. First shot, no good. Second shot. Basket. 58-71. Ang ating talan. Atan. Sharing on the play. Atan. Balaba for 3. In and out. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng red. Lalo.
Pwede ba review para makilinaw?
Wala lang po siya. Pasensya na po. For the viewers na po. Ayan, no good. Basket para kay number 8. Ayan na, humahabol na ang mga nakapula. Kandiana. Oh, there's a foul. Oh, correction, that's a pushing foul. Ang itinawag ng ating mga referee.
Klaro naman, libre!
On the free throw area, Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Kabasa. Pwede ba? Sorry, that's number 8. Judy. Pass to Balaba. Balaba. Oh, steal. Number 8. Derecho. No. And a rebound by Balaba. Balaba nagpapadali. What extra pass. Number 8. Too strong. Rebound. Pass to D. D. To Balaba. Balaba. Stop and pump. In and out. Rebound again to number 17. Out and pass. Number 17. Oopsie. It's a dark blue ball. Bola rito ng dark blue. Oh, another steal. David all the way. Basket for David. Ay na, baba sa single digit. Kumahabol ang mga nakapula. Ay na, double team. Another steal. Up and under. Nakalusot. Ay na. Ang red team. Wala pang foul. Good. Kadiana, Atan, binigay sa loob. Floater by Balaba. 6-point na dito si Balaba. Number 15, sidestep. Nakalusot din. Si number 15, that is David. 66-673. Balaba, uy. Oh, and a steal. Mudasel. Makakuha na number 8 and score. Oh my goodness. Ayan na. Baba na lamang. Sa 5. 68-73. Almost 3 minutes na lamang po. 2 minutes and 59 seconds ng ating laban. Oh, another steal for Lucas. Ay! Kitang-kita yon ng ating mga official referee. May tawag ng foul. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Tama ba? Correction, that's a dark blue basketball. Atan. Diniscarte. Oh, with a spin. Ano shot? Atan. Hesi. Kick out. Tumalaba. Binigay sa loob. D. To Atan. Binigay kay number 11 and gets a foul. On the free throw area, number 11. That is Reed. On the free throw area, number 11, that is Reed. First shot is good for Reed. Second shot para kay Reed. Basket. 75-68. Oh, ayun na. David with a strong drive using the glass and score for David. Ayan na, humahabol lama sa 5. Gadiana, sorry, makapadikit natin sa players. Almost a steal. Balaba binigay. Pass to D. D to number 11. Basket for Reed. 77-70. 2 minutes and 14 seconds. David, nagmamadali. David, binigay. There's a foul for Atan. Oh, sorry, that's Balaba. Penalty. Dark blue team under penalty situation. And she did a line number 15. That is David. First shot miss. Crucial free throw to para sa red team. Maipapasok kaya ni David ang ikalawang pagkakataon. David, wala. Rebound, number 3 and 1. Nakabawi naman doon ang kanilang big man. Nasip Floriente. Ayan na, down by 5. Maipapasa kaya ang bonus shot. Bang! 4 na lang ang inahabol ng mga nakapula. Oy! Nabitawan! Oh my goodness! Bola dito ng mga nakapula. Shoutout kay Coach Jason Briola is watching. Congratulations sa inyong team. Idol, Coach Jason Briola Yanga is watching right now. Alright, this is your Maitunas Basketball Season 3. Napakita sa laban. Kick out, wide open. Wala. Rebound. Didi. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Binababa bola. Naitawid. Pass to Atan. Inuubos ang ball after oras. Pass to D. D. 9 seconds to shoot. D. Pass to 8. To D. D. Binigay kay Atan. Fake. Oh! At naputpa na nga ng 24 segundo. 24-second shot clock violation for the dark blue. Bola rito ng pula. Makakabawi kaya. Ayan na, si number 8. Number 8, Didi Ball. Pass to David. Naka-recover, binigay. Pass to number 1 for 3. In and out, rebound by D. Ayan na, binigay. Pass to Atan. Pass to number 11. Segundo na lamang po natitira. Ayan na. D to number 17. Catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound by David. May pagkakataon dito ang mga nakapula. David binigay kay number 8. Number 8 with a strong drive and score. Ayan na. Umahabol. Dalawa lang. Number 82. Nakabawi. 75-79. Number 8. Oy, wala tawag. Number 8, atake. Binigay and gets the foul. Time out. Red team. Wow, grabe yun. There's a foul for the dark blue. Penalty sila. 79-75. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng red team for this timeout. Back to the ball game, 79-75 ang ating talan. Crucial free throw for jersey number 8. Valenzuela, if I'm not mistaken. Maipapasok. Kailangan maipasok ng mga nakpula to. Tingnan natin. First shot para kay number 8. Basket yan. Para kay number 8. Down by 3. 24 segundo ng ating fourth quarter. Second shot para kay number 8. Ayan na. Wala. Rebound. Oh, what a save. Oh, last touch. Save ball. Bola rito ng mga nakapula. Titira ba sila ng 3 points? Last 20 seconds. Valenzuela for 3. In and out. Rebound. bounce! Last touch! Bola rito ng dark blue. But there's a foul. Tatlong ano pa? Wala pang penalty, wala pa.
Nasa kayo sa tawag.
Ayan na. Last 14 seconds remaining. Tatlo lamang ng dark blue. Ayan na, sa number 17. Pinagay. Number 8. No basket. Sa baba pa daw, mang daw. Sabi ng ating official referee. On the free throw area. Crucial free throw for number 8. May papasok kaya? At naipasok na nga ni number 8. Second shot para jersey number 8. Bang! 2 for 2, 81-76. Balik sa 5 ang lamang ng mga naka-dark blue. Uy, ayun na. Humahabol. David for 3. Oh! It's a 3-point attempt for David. Meron pa tayong natitirang 6 seconds. 6.9 seconds remaining. Makakahabol kaya rito ang mga nakapula. Crucial free throw para kay David. First shot and a miss for David. Oh my goodness. Second shot for David. Tingnan natin. Basket. Ayan na. 4 na lang ang hinahabol with the 6 seconds remaining. David second try. No! Rebound! Oy! There's a foul. For the penalty. Crucial free throw din para sa dark blue. Remaining time, 5.8 seconds remaining, 81-77. D on the free throw area. Oh, pumasok ba? No? Di pumasok. Second shot for dark blue. That is D. 82-77 at meron tayong timeout. Good daw. Timeout ba? Oh, wala. Ayan, shoutout sa ating mga kabarangay dito from the Baytunas. Ayan na. Let's go, Lucas. Kaya pa yan. We have a 5.8 seconds. May natitira pa tayong oras. Lucas, kanina bibigay. Almost a steal. Number 1. Pinagay. Bad pass. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations, Dark Blue Team. At sila na po ang mapasok sa finals. Final score, 82-77. Panalo po ang Dark Blue. Grabe yun. Laban. Ayan, baka may gusto tayo pasalamatan or shout out. Mga idol. Dark Blue. Dark Blue. Interview. Eh, congrats! Pare, pasok na kayo. Ano masasabi mo sa laban na yun?
Okay lang. Sulit yung kalaban nila.
May picture lang ka. Eh, kuya! Pare, nice game. Message.
Salamat po sa mga nanonood at sumusuporta sa amin.
Thank you. Congrats, congrats. Ay, coach.
Ang galing, ganda na laro. Ang galing.
Thank you, coach.
Thank you.
Tingat.
Tarantado ni Robin Romero at ni John Carlos Silvas.
Oh, picture. Picture. Tan, message. Shout out. Congrats, man of the game. Yay. Thank you. Ayan, no? Pasok na po sila sa semifinals. Ang Dark Blue. Kita kids. Picture. Okay, hanggang sa muli. Kita po tayo for our next live. Maraming salamat po, Kap Ryan Sigera, ang ating organizer and ating barangay captain sa barangay Maytunas Cup 2026. Game ready. Ay, camera nyo. Game ready. 1, 2. Sabay, patayo. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, thank you.
Kita tayo semis. Kita semis Friday.
Okay, sabay pa.
Ayaw muna.
Thank you. Salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Good night, everyone. This is your Barangay Maytunas Tournament Seniors Division 30 years up. Hanggang sa muli. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po for the replay. God bless everyone. Good night.